So this phone is the Milestone 2, which we're announcing today. It's the latest device from Motorola featuring Moto Blur. You'll see it's the successor to the original Milestone, which we launched last year. Some of the key changes for this device over the original Milestone is we've upgraded the processor to 1 GHz. We also include now 8 GB of memory on the device, and we also include an 8 GB card in the box, which is expanded up to 32 gigs. What you'll see on the hardware side is we've made quite a few changes to the keyboard itself. So you'll see the keyboard now takes up the entire front of the device, whereas before we had the 5-way navigation key on the right. We've changed that and enhanced the key layout, so you get a bigger actual physical keypad size. What you'll also see on the device, if I tilt it slightly, you'll see the keys themselves are slightly raised, so you get more of a tactile feel when you're actually inputting text either into your emails, social network updates, or into just regular messaging. The device itself runs on Froyo, so this is a 2.2 device. We've made a number of improvements from the first version of Moto Blur. So you'll see here we have the ability now to resize widgets. So if I put a little widget on here, you can click to add a widget. If I put a social networking widget on there, what you'll see first is what you're able to do is actually customize your widgets now. So rather than getting all of your feeds from all your social network sites, you can actually get updates specifically for one or many of your social networks, or you can actually group your contacts into a smaller list of either your most popular friends, or say people from a university list. So if I can edit here, you can say you want to choose your contacts. So you may have 1,000 people following you on Twitter. You may have 500 friends on Facebook. So you may want the ability to actually manage that a little better and just maybe pick your top 5 or so friends. You can go and select the ones that you want, and then it will create a specific widget for you that just have those friends on there. So once I've done that, I'll click done. It will create the widget on the screen there, and you'll see that it's only then polling information from the Blur server for those specific friends. What I can do with that widget is I can now resize it. So if I click and hold on there, it gives you the option to resize. So you can pull it across to the side there, or if I do that again, you can obviously move it, and you can expand it and make it bigger. So depending on how you want your layout, you can have it like that. You can have it very small. You can see where the options are that you can do it. So they can make it very small, so you can have many widgets on the same page. So that's a feature of Moto Blur that we've improved from the original version that we have. Some of the other things that we've integrated in this device are some of these widgets here. So you'll see you have the ability to quickly turn on and off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, or switch it to plane mode. Some of the other nice features that we've include a data manager, so you can actually see how you're using your data, so you can manage it more efficiently. So if I go to the settings menu, I can show you that there. So it's a settings menu. You can see here data manager, so you can see how much data that you've used on a specific day. So here it said I used 5.39 megabytes. If I click on that, it'll give me a little chart to see how much I use by day, and you can click on activity, and then it'll give you a breakdown of what data you're using by specific activity. So these are nice features that we've integrated to allow the user to actually manage their data more efficiently and see where they're using it more often.
And the device can be used as a Wi-Fi hotspot?
Yeah, that's right. So we have a Wi-Fi hotspot feature in the device. You're able to connect up to 5 devices to this device, so you can use the HSDPA technology within the phone to establish a link and then connect 5 devices up to it. So you can have your laptop, another phone, or any other Wi-Fi devices hooked up to your phone to allow you to then go and download and send data.
That's excellent. Thank you very much.